Deep inside the forest, far away from the familiar trails, she discovers something unexpected, a tiny waterfall hidden among the trees. The sound reaches her first, a soft, steady rush of water echoing through the forest. She follows the sound, moving carefully between the trees, until the forest suddenly opens into a quiet little clearing. There it is, a beautiful waterfall flowing gently over the rocks into a clear, natural pool below. For a moment, she simply stands there and takes it all in. The water sparkles beneath the filtered sunlight. The trees surround the pool like a natural shelter. Birds are singing somewhere high above the branches, while the wind moves softly through the leaves. And beneath it all, the soothing sound of falling water. After spending so much time walking through the forest, she realizes this is the perfect place to stop and refresh herself. She finds a comfortable private spot near the water and prepares for a refreshing bath. As she steps into the cool, natural pool, the first touch of the mountain water instantly wakes her senses. Cold water, fresh mountain air, the sound of the waterfall only a few feet away. She slowly settles into the water and lets herself relax. For a while, there is nowhere else to go, nothing else to do. She simply enjoys the moment. The water flows gently around her while the waterfall continues its endless rhythm. Birds call from the surrounding trees. The breeze passes through the forest canopy. Every sound seems to belong to the same peaceful song. This isn't an ordinary bath. It's an experience, a moment of feeling completely surrounded by the wild. She closes her eyes for a while and listens. The rushing water becomes louder. The wind becomes softer. The forest seems to slow down, and for a few beautiful moments, she feels completely disconnected from the outside world. No traffic, no crowds, no screens, no interruptions. Just her, the mountain water, and the forest. She stays there for a long time, enjoying the cool water and the peaceful atmosphere. Time seems to lose its meaning. The longer she stays, the more deeply she feels connected to the place. The waterfall doesn't ask anything from her. The trees don't ask anything from her. The forest simply welcomes her. And sometimes, that's all we need. A quiet place, a little time, and the freedom to simply breathe. Eventually, she knows it's time to leave. Slowly, she steps out of the water and takes a moment to look back at the little waterfall. The same gentle stream continues to flow. The birds are still singing. The wind is still moving through the trees. Nothing has changed. But she has. She feels refreshed, calmer, lighter. As she gathers her things and prepares to continue her journey, she takes one final look at the hidden waterfall. A secret little corner of the wilderness, a place she will remember long after she leaves. Then she turns toward the forest trail and begins walking again. The waterfall slowly disappears behind the trees, but its sound and the feeling of that peaceful moment stay with her.